Hey Rach, Jessica here from jessicabrigham.com, and I want to show you how you can make your home magazine ready without breaking the bank. I'm standing here in what was once a super drab entryway that I completely redid for $120. My number one tip for redecorating a space is peel and stick wallpaper. You can make a statement, you could do something subtle, you could add texture, but it's a very inexpensive way to add character and definition to a space. Shop your house. A lot of the things that you see behind me here were decorated with pieces I already had in my home. If you have high ceilings, I recommend you use them. By attracting the attention upwards, it therefore makes the space feel even larger. I redid this bathroom for just $500. One big way I was able to keep costs down in this bathroom was DIY and thrifting. I painted this room from top to bottom a beautiful high gloss white. Then I went so far as to paint the ceiling a moody color. I did this as a risk, but it's a tiny space and it really just made it feel bigger because it draws the attention upward. And I was also very cautious with choosing the color because I really wanted it to accentuate the boldest element in the room, which is the shower curtain. I have a small little nightstand with a tiny drawer that has my knickknacks that I use for my nightly routine, and it also has my wastebasket, which is a rattan basket, adding another earthy element into the space. Another really funky element that I absolutely love is my medicine cabinet. So instead of having to store on open shelving, I have these picture frames that when opened are actual medicine cabinets. I didn't replace the tile floor, I painted it. And I picked out a stencil that's about 2 feet wide that I thought would not be overbearing and would complement the space. Another great way to maximize a small bathroom is to get robe rod hooks for your towels. Let's get everything on the wall and keep things off the floor.
Really cool. Very talented, Jessica. Thank you to Jessica. That was brilliant. Thank you to all of our guests as always, and thank you for joining us. And we'll see everybody. Bye.